Elevating the art of overland travel, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome is the next chapter in luxury exploration, where British sophistication meets cosmic ambition. Built to blur the boundaries between elegance and endurance, this extraordinary vehicle empowers you to explore the Earth with comfort worthy of the stars. Exterior design, refined power. Sculpted with aerospace-inspired aerodynamics, the 2026 Range Rover Motorhome boasts a seamless aluminum monocoque body that flows with Range Rover's signature minimalist curves. Wrapped in a deep interstellar blue finish with bronze detailing, the vehicle radiates presence, standing over 40 feet long with active ride height suspension for varied terrain. Panoramic electrochromic glass roof, 24-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, integrated deployable stairway and awning, off-road adaptive lighting and terrain sensing radar. Interior, a sanctuary among the stars' living room. The Sky Lounge. The lounge is designed to make you feel as if you're floating. Handcrafted semi-aniline leather seating in lunar gray pairs with dark ash veneer and brushed aluminum finishes. A floating fireplace, 8K OLED display, and a 360-degree holographic projection system create a cinematic environment, whether you're off-grid or nestled in a luxury retreat. Bedroom celestial comfort. The rear suite features a king-sized anti-gravity memory foam bed, ambient constellation ceiling lighting, and soundproofed walls. An integrated wellness system tracks sleep patterns and adjusts lighting, temperature, and airflow for optimal rest. Bathroom must-have the orbital spa. A zero-edge rainfall shower with backlit quartz walls, anti-fog smart mirror, and a self-sanitizing toilet system offers a spa-like retreat. UV purification, heated flooring, and real-time water usage tracking make it as efficient as it is indulgent. Kitchen Galactic Gourmet. The kitchen comes with a dual induction range, a steam oven, a concealed wine fridge, and a retractable espresso station. The minimalist design hides functionality behind soft, close walnut cabinetry, with all surfaces antimicrobial and heat-resistant. Performance and technology, powered by the future, tri-motor EV AWD system with 900 horsepower equivalent output. Hydrogen hybrid auxiliary power unit for extreme range and energy independence. Fully autonomous navigation with celestial positioning backup. AI personal assistant Aura integrated into every system. Roof-integrated solar panel array with adaptive energy storage. Drive beyond the stars. The 2026 Range Rover Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a luxury starship for the road. Whether you're drifting through deserts, climbing snow-laced peaks, or camping beneath the northern lights, this motorhome offers a level of freedom and refinement once reserved for the elite and the astronauts.